Today we're gonna rob every robbery.
Yeah, I'm just getting in my hop in my beautiful car.
Right, so everything is actually open right now.
Yeah. So let's rob this place.
We're like the first two. Yeah, look, we're like, oh, there's 3 criminals. All right, so we're like the only criminals basically. And
Yeah,
oh, what if they start robbing other things and then those get shut down?
that'd be pretty bad. I want to be able to rob everything today, not tomorrow or something. I don't know.
You know.
So I'm gonna pull the levers on my side.
And I got this side then, right?
Yeah.
So you're on the right, right?
Yeah, I am on the right. So I got the easy one.
I got the left, and
Okay, so
are you gonna get the spin?
have a little help with the spin one. I took a little bit.
Here, let me. All right, I'll do it. All right,
Took a little bit. You're good at those. You are good at those spins. Okay, I'll go top. I don't know. I just like the top.
Yeah, no, I always take this side and then I work my way to the left, and then like there's one on the other wall that I get, but I get one. Here, can you see me right now or no?
No, top. Okay.
Never mind.
You're out of here. I'm out of here.
Alright, yeah.
Let's go turn this money.
Yeah, so 4,000, and then
Haha, I'm ahead of you.
let's just hope that other person didn't start a different robbery.
Or if there's anybody else. I'm not gonna check. So let's go. Hop in my beauty. My beauty car. I thought you. Oh, my bad. My bad. Totes, my bad.
You thought I was driving, right?
Yeah. That's what you guys do.
Yeah. Most of that.
You just don't throw
All right.
it out.
The race is on. Are you where are you? Are you still? All right, who's gonna make it first? Crap! Darn it!
Take that. Ooh, I won. See, that thing's fast with supercharge. Okay. Let me drive.
All right, where to? Oh, the bank's open. It's getting robbed.
We have to go there quick.
This is what I feared. Like our original path would be casino, club, bank, jewelry, then pyramid.
But since this place is being robbed, we have to rob it.
Yeah, or else we might not get it.
Yeah. So, in this video, we are not going to be robbing the
plane or the boat, but like all the
like those. I feel like
land.
those
like,
ones
all
are
the
like
buildings.
moving. Those ones are like moving now.
Yeah, but we're like.
This one's stuck
Oh my
here
gosh!
forever.
Now that there's a lot of criminals.
Oh
now.
gosh.
They check the board.
Oh gosh, there's like a lot. Hopefully they didn't mess up our hat.
And I didn't even really look at it. I just saw like 5 on the bottom.
Okay. Are you gonna do some emotes? Because I'm doing hotline bling.
Hey! Alright.
Oh no, actually dance too.
I did dance too. as well.
I did dance too first.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Ooh.
Police officer. Oh, how slow they are.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go get them.
Let's go melt them.
Like cheese on a toaster.
I just melted them.
That was sad.
You weren't even there to witness it.
That was way too sad. I saw part of it.
Yeah. I find this part kind of the most difficult of all the bank.
I guess what? I haven't taken 1 damage yet.
I've taken like 100 or something. It's crazy. Let's go. I'm gonna open up this thing.
Alright, you open it. You can get the big gem.
Okay, thank you, because I'm the best at this game.
I'm just gonna get out fast. So I'm so glad they actually made it so you could break these like the big one.
Yeah, it goes so much quicker now.
It's just so much better.
I also like the robbing bags. That's really cool.
Yeah. Alright, I'm out of here. I already finished.
Okay.
Alright, so we're at the obby part, right?
Ooh, jump over that.
So yeah, I always jump over instead of go under.
I sometimes go under. It's weird. I'm a
Alright, here, I'll get my Porsche. Where are you?
I'm coming.
Dude, you gotta hurry up. Dude, that took forever.
Okay.
Ugh. Whoops.
Okay.
The roads are now violently chaotic.
Yeah, there's like an angry mob on the road.
It's a mob of cars, if
Yeah.
that's what you
Yeet. There's a Camaro. Who even likes Camaros?
mean.
Level 1.
Like,
Level 1
starters. I'm 74. What are you? Like 80?
I'm like 85. I'm like level
Look,
85.
I just leveled up to 75.
Oh, cool. Good job.
Nice.
Got the snow rim, right?
The snow.
I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
Yeet.
Where are we going next?
We are going to the club.
Nightclub. Nice.
Alright, yeah, I'm taking the sneaky back way.
There's 2 sneaky back ways.
Okay, but
Okay.
I'm taking the close sneaky back way.
Okay. So, do you know the code?
No.
Or are we not doing
Oh,
it?
I'm not getting the code.
Okay.
But generally, that's where you would get the code
we just want to do this
for the
quick.
jetpack. And then once you get the key card,
You walked right through that wall.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I always do what I just did.
You walk right through a wall.
Dude, you're gonna mess me up. Stop
I'm-
going. Okay.
I passed you. Haha. I'm so quick at this. So.
I swear, it's already bound to happen. We mess each other up. So, I think once I actually did manage. Oh, the race is on. Once I managed to jump over that laser that moves back and forth in this place.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I've never done that. It's just strange.
Alright, so while we're waiting for this, let's play a round of Duck Duck Goose.
Duck, duck, goose.
Goose!
I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
Have you ever played Duck Duck Goose as just a single player? You just
Yeah.
tap
Tap your
or no,
head.
two players.
You tap your head.
No,
and then
you tap someone's head and you're like, duck, 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 goose. But you're tapping the same person over and over.
That'd just be sad. That'd be like they know they're gonna.
And then you can't run around a circle because there is no circle.
No, you just all you do is just sit down and you win.
Alright,
Okay,
I'm at
I
6,000.
wait. I'm a waiter.
Alright, dodge the laser. Alright,
Let's go,
no,
let's
dude,
go,
stop!
let's go.
Alright, my first 5 damage I have taken.
First 160 damage I've taken. I usually get hurt bomb.
So yeah, actually, look how much cash I have. That's all just grinding. I actually never bought cash in this game.
Same. Who does?
Well,
Sketches.
famous YouTubers.
Yeah.
Oh,
Why you drive like that?
you're making me hungry.
Hungary. Nice.
Just driving that watermelon car.
You want to see another watermelon?
That's so good.
Do you want to see another watermelon? How does that make you feel?
Very hungry. Very hungry.
Very hungry.
Alright, I think it's pyramid now,
Yeah,
right?
and that's it.
Yeah, so
Let's go. You're a bad flyer, even though I'm flying.
you're flying. Oh, so you're level 84. Nice.
Yeah,
I'm 75.
I'm a high level.
Take that. 9 less than you. Not 11 anymore.
Oh,
Yeah.
good job.
You're welcome.
I have more XP to gain. Who's gonna
So
go
what?
first? Who's gonna go? Okay, I'm going.
Yeah, I'm done. If there's 2 people like going at the same time, or at least for us, we always mess up.
Don't you dare think about messing me up on my spike trap.
Yeet.
Ooh, you were close. You were close.
Alright, Alright, I just passed the spike trap.
That's how you do it. You're weird at the spike traps. Let's make it out of here.
Oh wow,
Bye.
you're in the ballroom already. So
You're slow.
you're in the ballroom. Are you ready to dance, Cinderella?
Shut up.
Alright, so there's a weird thing that happens to me if I jump over them, over the lava balls. I actually, I die. But when you jump over them, you always live. Like, what's
yeah.
that about? Yeah.
I'm more athletic, so I can jump higher.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
That's what this
Yeah,
is.
it is. It is. Good job.
You need to be able to rub that giant thing
Yeah.
right there, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you could rub something otherwise.
That's like you should be able to steal the Ark of the Egyptians.
Like, yeah, you can steal that thing, but you can't steal the big one.
The huge one.
And
How
then-
can you even fit those other ones in? You should be
So,
able to fit
if you
that
wanted to
huge
get the death ray, you'd grab the thing from that chest.
one, which
And
I
you'd go over
did.
to McDonald's into the secret key painting thingy.
I am proceeding my way out of here. Who are you? Who are you? You are
Batman.
from a movie.
No.
You're Aaron,
I'm the impossible magician waffle.
the magician waffle.
Yeah.
Ooh, they should have a.
Watch this. I'm about to get toasted.
They should have a.
Oh!
They should have a waffle.
Did you
mask.
see that?
No.
Right. No, you didn't.
I was way.
Like the ball is like right behind me, and
Or
like
that. Like when were you at the obstacle place, or were you still like
no,
not looking?
I was at like the lava jump thing where you jump rock to rock. Trying to
A guy just died. He's a noob. Such
wait.
a guy just jumped
police
right
officer?
in. No, a hero. He just jumped right in.
Hey, I'm not roasted or toasted, but look at you.
I know. I hurt myself for. I starved myself for this game. No, I don't. I'm
Yes!
just amazing.
What do you type?
He's a noob. A noob.
He. No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I'm a noob.
You're at hashtag.
Noob.
Oh, and we just finished our last robbery without
yeah.
dying.
Oh yeah.
I
No,
never-
we have to
I
turn
never-
in the cash. Okay, I think we got this.
Turning in cash is the worst part.
Yeah, like just.
Like once I carried around cash that I got from the casino, like 40 minutes. Well,
Are we gonna be able to turn it in?
yeah,
Okay,
that's
turn it
every
in.
robbery. So, bye.
Bye. Bye bye.